Revolt of 1857, presented to you by Avicenni Earthby Faith Academy School. The Revolt of 1857 causes discontent among the Indian sepoys was one of the cause. The policies by the British deprived the Indian rulers of their power and status. Annexation of Awadh in 1856 deeply hurted the sentiments of the company's sepoys. Governor General Lord Dalhousie stated that the descendants of Bahadur Shah II would be evicted from the Red Fort. After his death, according to this order, he would be the last Mughal ruler and his descendants would be called prince. Same happened with Peshwa Bajirao II's adopted son Nana Sahib. Discontent among the peasants and artisans. British policy of economic exploitation of India affected all sections of the society. The peasants suffered high revenue demands and lost their rights on the lands. The large-scale inflow of British manufactured goods into India made Indian handmade goods costly. People preferred machines made fine goods as they were available in large quantity and were cheap. Thus, Indian artisans and craftsmen were ruined. Social reforms and Indian responses were the other was one of the cause of revolt of 1857. The British passed law to stop various social evil prevailing at that time. These laws were looked upon with great suspicion by conservative sections of Indian society. Abolishing of sati, legislation of widow remarriage, and extension of Western education to women were seen as an example of interference in the social custom of the country. Racism and religion. Social discrimination faced by Indians due to the British attitude of racial superiority was also a major cause of discontent among the Indians. Educated Indians were denied promotions and opportunities for higher positions. They were also threatened by the activities of Christian missionaries as land belongs to temples and mosques were taxed. This hurted people's religious sentiments. Discontented sepoys. Indian soldiers who formed more than 85% of total British troops were looked upon as inferior beings and treated badly. They were paid less than British soldiers. Avenues of promotion were closed to them. They felt distributed by the Christian propaganda carried among them. They were forbidden to wear caste sectarian marks. Another reason was overseas allowance of fighting wars outside India. Discontinued causing reduction in salary. Immediate cause. The spark for new Enfield pattern rifle, which was introduced into the British Indian Army, was provided by cartridges. There were rumors about the paper cartridges being greased with fat of pigs and cows, which was scared for Muslim and Hindu religion. As they had to bite open these cartridges, this offended their religious sentiments. Outbreak and spread of the revolt. The revolt started at Barakpur, Meerut on 29th March 1857 when a young soldier, Mangal Pandey, attacked the officers after refusing to use the new greased cartridges. On 9th May 1857, 85 soldiers on the 3rd Cavalry of Meerut refused to obey the British officers. These soldiers were dismissed from the service and sent to 10 years imprisonment on 10th May. These rebel soldiers killed British officers and released their imprisoned comrades and captured guns and ammunitions. The soldiers set off for Delhi and on their way they cut off telegraph wires. On 11th May, the sepoys from Meerut crossed the Yamuna by boats and marched to the Red Fort. The rebels captured Delhi and declared Bahadur Shah Zafar as the Emperor of India. He wrote letters to all chiefs and rulers of the country to come forward and organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight. Spread of the revolt. Kanpur. The revolt led by Nana Sahib gathered armed forces, expelled the British garrison, and declared himself as Peshwa. He was assisted by and supported by Tatia Tope Nazimullah. Lucknow. Birjus Qadar, the son of deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Khan, was proclaimed the new Nawab. His mother Begum Hazrat Mahal took an active part in organizing the upstream against the British. She was supported by peasants inspired by Maulvi Admullah. Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi Bai, angered by British annexation of her territory, threw in a lot with the rebels, and the British forces, using superior weapons, captured the fort and city of Jhansi. Then she joined Tatia Tope and marched to Gwalior. Bareilly. The uprising was led by Khan Bahadur Khan, a pensioner of British government, on 31st May. Ara, which is also known as Bihar, Veer Kuwar Singh, an old zamindar, played a leading part from Bihar. The rebellious sepoys destroyed European property in Bihar province. Revolt of 1857. Causes of failure and consequences. Some of the causes of failure of the revolt of 1857 were largely localized characters, which were Bengal, Bombay and Madras presidencies, which were remained largely calm. There were no participation of large cities like Hyderabad, Mysore, Kashmir, etc. Weak leadership. No national leader emerged to coordinate. Bahadur Shah Zafar was old and not even command of the sepoys. Lack of common ideals. There was no coordination as the Hindus wanted to set up a Maratha Raj and Muslims wanted to revive Mughal rule. Old and outdated weapons. Secret negotiations with the British. The sepoys wanted the restoration of their rights and thus betrayed the rebels. Result of the revolt. According to the act passed by British Parliament in 1858, the rule of India was handed over to British Crown by taking it away from EEIC. Act of 1858 abolished the Board of Directors and appointed a secretary with a council to advise him, known as Indian Council. The Governor General was now called as Viceroy. The first Viceroy of India was called Lord Canning. It was declared that the proportion of Indian soldiers in the army would be decreased and Europeans would be increased. All the ruling chiefs were allowed to pass their kingdom for their hires, even adopted ones. Thanks for watching. May you have a blessed day ahead.